Hey guys, how to write a good proposal which suits your skills and experiences and in same time suits task description using chatbot to catch this task and win. So first of all you have to train the Chat GPT or DeepSeek or Gemini or Blockbox, any search, any AI engine about yourself. So if I ask this Chat GPT, you know me, okay, and I learn him, write me a CV. Write me as Osama, my name. You know me. My CV, a CV, including all my skills, experiences, reference, achievements. Okay. You were right, because I teach it before about me, so he will respond to me. If you ask him to do this with your name and failed, so you cannot do the following proposal. So no, you know that I live in Asyut, Egypt. Need all these links, skills. This is my skills. Yes, I'm teaching program data analysis and software development in autism. Yes, proven ability to lead. All this is correct. I have skills in programming language, data analysis, and AI tools, platforms, Excel, Google Sheets, Flask, WordPress, Arduino. Language Arabic native, English fluent, very good. Other skills, educational technology, problem solving, project-based learning, web development, data visualization, AI in education. This is a professional فعلا. from 2016 لغايه دلوقتي انا موجود في اسيوط سيستم سكول، الفريلانس سوفت وير داتا سوليوشن ديفلوبر من 2018 فعلا. All this is correct. Project achievement, this also my project. Yes, this is my education, certification or training, of course, yeah. Robotics and Arduino available on. Okay, so now I can ask him, write me as Osama Mandur. Yes, a good proposal which suits my skills and experiences and the following task description. واروح اجيب التاسك description from here. Copy, this is the task description and I will put here. Control V. So in the task description, there is the milestones, the description of the task, milestones, and the deadline and the budget. All this will include in his work. So now, as you see, this is the proposal submitted by you. Dear Data Link Service, which is the name of the company. I'm excited to offer my support as a virtual assistant to help streamline your work. With over 10 years experience in teaching, technical coordination, and data processing, I have developed a deep understanding of organization, prioritization, and client-focused communication was all the key to managing calendar structuring, email summary organization, final deliverables, and why choose me, and I'm ready to start immediately. This is very important message, and here I will put my data. So I will copy this and put on new file, and then reread it, this proposal, and change. If anything I need to change, I will change. Okay, so this will be deleted. Here you can put your mobile. Okay, and then here I am ready to start immediately and can guarantee polished, easy to follow at both by or before the deadline. Law 24. I am confident that I can help bring order and clarity to your work. This is very important. Thank you for your consideration. Looking forward to the opportunity to contribute. Best regards. And then virtual assistant, data organizer, educator, all this. And here you have to delete all this. And then bring the other data from here, this one. Okay. And if you have references, you can put so you can do what you need from changes, and this you can do this one. Okay, delete what you need and put what you need, and then here. Okay, so now you have to copy this file, save as, proposal. Will folder which you store your proposals for every jobs. So this is in this folder. Data science, and then proposals. Then PDF. Remember, weekly scheduling. Save. Then open this one also. So to start here, see back here. Send proposal, and then here price $8, and choose file. Here I will put a message, upload this proposal to catch this job. here, and then data science, proposals, and then we have quick schedule this one. Okay, the link, put it my YouTube channel. Succeed. Then send. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.